Good afternoon to one and all. We will discuss today the types of transistor configuration. I have already told that one. It is a three-terminal device. That is, the terminals of the transistor is base, emitter, collector. Base, emitter, collector here now. So combination of these three terminals, we have to take every time one common point we have to consider that one. That is commonly both with respect to the common point only for the collector and emitter or any other terminals with respect to the one terminal, another terminal, two terminals, we have to give the power supply here now. So like that, there are three terminals are there means three common configurations are there here now. So types of transistor configurations we are going to call that now. If emitter base collector is there, three terminals. So one time we can take base as a common. Second time we can take as emitter as common point. Third point we can take as collector as a common point. We can take every time one time we can take the base and emitter and collector as a common point. So already in this diagram, we have discussed about that one by taking the common base. Same thing we are going to discuss. It may be PNP transistor or it may be NPN transistor. We have to discuss these types of transistor configuration here. Three types of transistor configurations are there. Common base configuration, common emitter configuration, common collector configuration. So that is called CB, common base configuration we are going to call that one. This transistor configuration provides a low input impedance while offering a high output impedance. Low input impedance is nothing but if the low resistance, we are going to call that one input resistance is very low. If the input resistance is very low, means we can tell that one the current flowing through that one will become
high.
High, obviously we can tell that one. In the output side, the resistance is very high. The current will be very low over there. So which is going to oppose here now because of the high resistance, it is going to oppose us to flow the current. We can going to call that one here now. Although the voltage is high here now, the voltage also we are going to high, we are going to get at the output side. Resistance is high and current will be medium, but resistance will be high means voltage will be high. V equal to IR is there. You can call that one here now. Although the output side voltage is high, the current gain is low and the overall power gain is also low. This one current gain and all the things we'll discuss what you mean by current gain and all. So the other salient feature of the configuration is that input and output are in both are in phase only. We are going to call that one. In this transistor configuration, the base electrode is common to both input and output circuits here now. So base terminal we are going to consider as common for this one here. See here, this diagram is visible. We can zoom it also.
Yes.
So this is a NPN transistor. This is a PNP transistor here now. So NPN and PNP or PNP, whatever it may be. This one only we have to consider. P to N, we have to move here now. So NPN and PNP. For the NPN, the current direction will be from the collector to the arrow side, whatever the arrow side is there, that is called which terminal?
Emitter.
Emitter. On other terminal is collector, and the center point where it is connected, that is called base. We have base. This arrow indicates that once in the NPN transistor, the current will flow from the collector to the emitter.
Emitter.
Collector to the emitter. For the PNP transistor, emitter to the
base.
Collector.
Emitter to the base or collector? Collector to the base and emitter. It will go through base. It will go to the reach to the collector. We can call that one here now. So because output is connected to the collector here, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
At the collector side only we are going to get that one because we already told that one it will collect the electrons and holes here. Now it will collect the electrons, but the emitter emits that one here. So actual circuit diagram I will show you here. This is the actual circuit diagram we are going to tell that one. Wherever the load resistance is connected, that is called our output here now. So this one, we are connecting a load resistance here. We are connecting a load resistance. The current direction may be like this or like this, whatever it may be. But it should how it will flow through the load resistance, no? Current will flow through the load resistance, obviously. It may come in the
Yes.
clockwise direction or it may go in the anti-clockwise direction. That is not a matter. But it will flow through a load resistance. So across the load resistance, we are going to get the output here now. The output will be in the across the load resistance here now. See here, this is emitter, base, collector is there here now. Which type of transistor it is?
NPN.
Or PNP? NPN transistor. Okay, NPN transistor is there. So base we have taken common here now. We have taken common here now. The emitter should be forward biased or reverse biased?
Forward.
Forward biased. So emitter should be forward biased means for the in the NPN transistor it is a N layer is there. Yes, it is a N layer.
Yes.
So negative supply should be given to the emitter.
N.
Positive supply should be given to the
Base.
here. So VEB is connected to the here now across this one. This is nothing but sinusoidal waveform. They have considered that is input voltage here now. Here only across we have given that one, but the actually battery supply we have given that one here now. So it is connected to the base and emitters here now. So base is also forward biased here because
Yes.
P layer is there, positive supply we have given here. Okay. Next, for the collector should be
Reverse bias.
the collector should be reversed bias here now. So here N is there, the positive supply is given to the collector and negative supply is given to the base here now. Base here. So just think that this connection was not there. It is not there here now. What will happen? You think that when you are going to apply the supply here, this negative to the emitter, this positive to the collector here now. So it will reverse bias, it will forward bias, it will create the potential barrier, it will start to clear that one. It will both will get cancelled here now. So it will not comes in the under the conduction mode at all. If the base voltage is 0, then it will not conduct. The output will become 0 and it acts as an open circuit only. Base voltage across base is 0. Base voltage is 0 on that situation. Because this will opposing, this is conducting here now. Both will get cancelled here now. It is not possible to conduct on that situation. So this current which is opposing here now. So from this one we can consider as a junction here now. We can consider this one as a junction here now. In that junction, by according to Kirchhoff current law, can you tell me the equation for the current here now? Equation for the current from this. Anyone? Yes? Anyone, can you tell me the equation for current? According to Kirchhoff KCL, I am telling that one. It is like a three currents are meeting at a point here now. Three currents are meeting at a point. Some current, that is IE, is going away here now. And IC is coming towards the junction. And IB is also coming towards the junction. Can you tell me what is the formula? Total current.
IC plus IB is equal to IE.
IC plus IB is equal to IE.
IE.
Hello? Hello? So from this circuit diagram, according to this circuit diagram, the IE equal to IB plus
IC.
IC. You can say that one here. This is for the NPN transistor here. Because the positive supply is given here, from this one the current will start to flow here now, and another positive supply is given here now. So across the base it will flow, try to flow here now. So base and collector, they will join together and they will go to the emitter here now. So current direction will be like this here now. Yes, current direction will be like this. So emitter current is splitting into two currents. That one here, the emitter current is there because VB is there. This is the emitter current. IE we can call that one. No, IE. At this point, it will get two junctions. So some current will flow, that is called IB, and some current will flow here, that is called IC here. That IC, it is flowing here because of this IC is because of the this voltage supply here. We can call that one voltage supply. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, we can do the circuit diagram for the PNP. Yeah, I'm not going to explain for the all the common base, common emitter, common collector for the both the diagrams. Any one diagram we can discuss here now. So according to this, I equal to IB plus IC हो गए. Yes, NPN के हिसाब से I equal to
IB plus IC.
IB plus IC हो गए. You just consider PNP here now. This is the PNP transistor here now. PNP is there. So emitter is P here now. So according to this principle of the emitter, we have to do this one as a forward bias. So the positive supply is given to the emitter, negative supply is given to the base here now,
Base.
based on this one. But while considering the collector current here now, collector, what will happen? This is positive is there. So we have to do reverse bias here now. So here negative supply, here positive supply we have to give. Yes. So the emitter current is flowing like this. This is IE. This is IE. It will comes here now. So at this point, it will get again two path here now. So the B is go back to the negative here now. Some current will go back here now. Here the collector current will be go here now. This collector current will be because of this positive supply. Once conduction occurs, then the collector current will go through the load resistance and it will complete the cycle in the clockwise direction. It will complete here. In this one, it is anti-clockwise direction. The cycle was there. Yes. So here and there, previous equation and this one, what we have to here? See here, IE here, IC and IB here. This one I will consider as a junction here now. This one I will consider as a junction or point here now. So IE is coming towards the junction, IB and IC are going away from the junction. What is the formula for current equation?
I is equal to IB
I is
minus
equal to
IC.
IB plus.
IE equal to IB plus IC. For this
Yes.
equation also same.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you can consider NPN or PNP, that doesn't matter. But the current equation for both NPN and PNP circuit will become same only. We are using same current only. The current equation we are going to get same only here now. So what will happen? Next we will discuss the current amplification factor or current gain, we are going to call that one. So the current gain and amplification factor, according to this circuit diagram, what is the input? Input is this one.
I
This is the input. This is the
output.
output. So emitter is the input. Emitter is the input. Collector is the output. Here. So current flowing through this emitter is IE. Current flowing through from the collector is, that is called IC.
Yes.
So the current gain or current amplification factor is the change of emitter current to the, change of collector current to the change of emitter current, we can call that one. Change of collector current. For that reason only we are going to call as delta IC. divided by delta IE, or we can call sometime this one, don't consider this DC, AC and all that. This is only alpha, alpha only we can consider. Alpha equal to IC by IE. We can write this one as current gain or current amplification factor. We are going to call this one. Current amplification factor. We are going to call this one. And the total current. We know that one total current is, what is the formula? IE equal to
IB plus IC.
IB plus IC. IB plus IC. Okay. IB plus IC. That is called IE. We are going to call that one. IE. We are going to call that one. How we got alpha here now? What is this one? IC. IC equal to, we can write alpha IE.
Yes, sir.
In this one, IC equal to alpha IE. We can tell that one. But the total current, output current, we are going to call this one. This collector current. Total collector current is this emitter current of with current gain. Current gain here now plus some CB naught they have written here now. Collector base supply is given here in the reverse bias. This is collector and this is base. They have given in the reverse bias. Collector is reverse bias. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because of this reverse bias, some leakage current is there across this semiconductor here now. Leakage current is there in between C and B here now. In between C and B, some leakage current is there. That leakage current we are going to call as ICB naught. We are going to call that. That leakage current is the ICB naught. We are going to call that. So the collector current, this IC is the some part of the emitter current. It is a part of emitter current or not? IC. The emitter current only it is coming here. Yes?
Yes.
Some part
Yes,
of the emitter current that reaches to collector terminal here now. So according to this, IC equal to alpha IE we can write here now. Alpha IE we can write here now. Alpha IE. And some leakage current here now. Some leakage current will occur at the in between the supply is there here. Total VBC. So because of that one, ICB naught is the leakage current here now. So this is alpha IE plus ICB naught is the collector current in active region. We are going to call that one. Collector current, the formula we are going to call for the common base circuit here. Common base circuit. So next we will go for the input characteristics. Input characteristics means this one only, na? This is the input we have to discuss here now. So input is between VBE versus IE here now. Input is IE terminal only. This terminal is the input here. Yes, this is the input across the VBE here now. So VBE is the voltage at x-axis and IE is the current, that is emitter current y-axis here. IE is the y-axis here. So at VCB also we are considering here. VCB is nothing but which supply? This supply also we are going to consider. Suppose you just think that this voltage is 0 here now. ये voltage हमारे को नहीं है. Just think that one. This voltage is not there here now. Yes? Hello? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
If you just think that this voltage is 0, there is no voltage at all here now. 0 voltage is there. So this is, it will like a straight conductor is there here. What we have given here, the positive is connected. Here negative is connected. This is which one? P layer junction is there, P layer, and this is N layer is there. So positive ko positive diye, negative ko negative diye. So it will deflate here now. It will deflate. But here there is no not supply. Is there any supply? What will happen? This is VI characteristics. You just consider that one. Either if the supply is there here, then it may conduct here only immediately. But if there is no supply, this supply is zero, means it will, by applying more voltage, what will happen? Some other, after some VB voltage, it is going to conduct here. This transistor will conduct. It will require more input voltage, that is VBE. VBE voltage is more, that is we are going to call that one. So if this voltage VCBE voltage is zero, then there is no holes and the electrons are injected here now, and it will takes more input voltage to conduct the transistor here, to conduct the transistor. Instead of zero, I will increase this voltage into 1 because of this 1 volt. So electrons holes are gets excitation, and electrons injects to the holes in the p layer, injects, and then what will happen? It will helps to, in the less input voltage only, it will start to conduct here. If this voltage is increased around 10 volt, then it will conduct here only. Yes or no? It will conduct here only. So that is the input characteristics we are going to call them. That is called input characteristics. I'll show the diagram. Just see the diagram also. This one. Here VB is there. This is IE is there. VB is the input voltage. IE is the input current here now. So input voltage across input current, input voltage versus input current is the input characteristics we are going to consider. So the common, which one is common is there? Base is common. So common base is nothing but base versus collector we are going to consider, that is common here now. Constant we are going to consider. VCB equal to 0. If VCB is 0, then it will take more voltage here now. Input voltage applied more here. Yes?
Yes, sir.
More voltage, it will start conduction here now. Once the conduction is over, for the small change here now, either say either the observe kiro either. I will take one right mark here. From this point to this point, you observe here now. Only 0.01 difference is there here. And this point, the current is 1 is there here. For the 0.01, suddenly it will increase us to 3 here now. Yes, it is increased to nearer to 3.
Yes, sir.
For the small change in voltage, large current is varying here. Large current is varying here. It indicates that the input resistance will be
Low.
Low. Very good. The input resistance will be low. We can call that one. That is VCB equal to 0. Suppose instead of 0, I will put this one as 8 volt here. Now I will set 8 volt first, and from the 0 to I will start to vary here now. Because of that volt, before the previous 0 condition, it is going to conduct here. It will takes less input voltage here now. Less input voltage it will takes, and it will conduct here now. If it is 8, or instead of that one, if it is 18, before that it is going to conduct. Yes?
Yes,
Before
sir.
that only it is conducting here now. That is called input characteristics. We are going to call that one here now. Based on the voltage and versus current, we have calculated the input characteristics. Next we will calculate, we'll go for the output characteristics here now. Output कहाँ से लेने का हमको? Which terminals?
Collector.
Collector current and voltage across collector. Voltage across collector, which one we have applied? Across the base and collector we have applied here now. Base and collector we have applied here now. So listen one thing here now. Before applying here, I will take the circuit diagram also, then only will understand. I will take the circuit diagram. There is no input at all here now. Input kuch bhi nahi diye hum. Just imagine that one. The input is not given anything here now. I will give the output here now. This VBC is there. This one I will increase here. So because of this VBC increase, what will happen? So small leakage current will be flow, but it will not conduct here now. Conduct ho sakte kya? Because these two are the reverse biased here. Yes or no? Collector and base are
reverse bias.
Reverse biased. So it will not conduct, but small leakage current may flow here. No, at IE equal to 0. IE equal to 0 means no current flowing from the emitter to the base. Emitter to the base and base to the collector here. No current is flowing, but small current is leakage will occur because of the base to emitter supply here. Base to collector supply here now. So it is starting here now. It is starting here. So what will happen? After that one, what I will do, I will set some IE, I will set here now. IE equal to the emitter current, I will set as 1 milliampere. 1 milliampere, I will set that one here. But because of this reverse biasing, so collector is connected to the negative, yes or no? Collector
Yes,
is
sir.
connected to the
Yes,
negative, and this base is connected to the positive. So this positive negative, it will become reverse. Minus
Yes, sir.
VCB will get, na? So for that reason, what we have to consider here now, see it will start from minus value only. Minus se chalu ho rahe na, iski, that is the main reason here now. The minus, it will start here now. So once it is, the current will start to flow from emitter to the collector, then what will happen? It will maintain constant current here now. Constant current we are going to consider here now. I equal to 1 milliampere, it is going to constant maintain here now. If you increase whatever the VCB, you 0 rako, 2 rako, 4 rako, 6, 8, 10, 12, whatever you keep it down. This current is almost constant here now. There is no change in the current at all here. There is no change in the current at all here now. Which current it is? Collector current. Collector current increase ho raha hai kya idhar? But it is
No, sir.
increasing with emitter current. Collector current is increasing with emitter
Emitter
current.
current.
Jaisa increase ho jate stepwise, like that it is increasing. But it is not increasing with the VCB voltage ke sath increase nahi ho rahe. So voltage ke sath the current is not increasing. That why what we can tell that one? The output resistance will be
High.
high or low. डाउट होगा इधर पर ना, कॉन्फिडेंटली बोला था, हाई बोलने के बाद डाउन हो गए. दैट इज करेक्ट ओनली. इफ द रेजिस्टेंस इज हाई, देन ओनली the it can oppose the current to increase here now.
Yes.
Yes or no? It can oppose the
Yes.
current here now. So this reason, before the zero, whatever the negative VCB is there, voltage across the collector and base is negative, that one we are going to call as saturation region. If the emitter current is zero, then also we have applied some voltage, but small leakage collector current is there. That collector current region we are going to call as cutoff region. But after the conduction, whatever the region is there, that one we are going to consider as active region. In the active region, the current is flowing from the emitter to the collector here. Now we can say that. So it completes the common base configuration. It completes the common base configuration. Similarly, we'll go for the next one, which is that
Common emitter.
Common emitter we are going to discuss here. See here, this one, it may vary because of the whatever we are doing, doping and all the things we are using, that is also dependent, because the common point is base. Base is heavily doped or moderately doped or low doped here?
Low.
Low only. So that is also, it will matters over here now. So next we will go for the common emitter configuration. This transistor configuration is probably the most widely used here now. The circuit provides a medium input and medium input and output impedance levels here. Now it is not high because medium it is going to give that one here. For the common base, output resistance was high, na? For the common base, just now we have discussed. For this one, here current is increasing for small change in the voltage. If it is increasing means the input current, input resistance is high.
Low. Low, no?
Low.
Low,
Input
sir.
resistance is low, and for the output resistance is
High.
high here now. But here the medium we are going to use here now. It is not high, it is not low here now. How it will discuss by a current and voltage gain here now can be described as medium, but the output is inverse of the input, that is 180-degree phase change here now. The output is in the previous common base both were in phase method, but here 180-degree phase change is there. This provides a good overall performance, and such it is often thought of the most widely used in this transistor configuration. Entire electrode is common to both input and output circuits here. This explanation is not necessary. I will go further directly by using the diagram only. See here, this is the both NPN and PNP transistor circuit diagram is there here. Is it visible here now? So this is the NPN transistor, this is PNP transistor. The input is connected here, output is there, here input and output here. Now in the brief current with current direction, I will consider one more diagram here. See, there is no much difference between common emitter and common collector here now. Dono same hai, almost. Both are same only. Here common emitter, common collector. Only direction will be reverse here now. Yes or no?
Yes.
Current direction, based on that one, it will changes here. See here, further, which transistor it is? Which transistor it is?
Emitter.
No, which type of NPN or PNP it is?
NPN.
NPN.
NPN, sir.
NPN or PNP? Check करो एक बार.
NPN.
NPN, sir.
NPN है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, based on the composition of NPN transistors, the collector should be reverse biased with respect to the base. Actually, we are going to consider collector should be reverse biased. Emitter should be
Forward.
forward biased. Here N is there. So here N is there. Here also N is there. Both sides N are there. Yes. NPN. Yes or no?
Yes.
Both are N semiconductors. Both the collector and emitters are N conductors. But the collector should be reverse biased. Emitter should be forward biased. So on that situation, so here for the N we have to give positive here. No, for the N you can give the negative supply here. You can give the negative supply we can give here. So what will happen? The collector current will come to here only and base current will come here only. They will join together. The current equation IE equal to IB plus
IC.
IC only. We are considering common base also same, common emitter also the current equation will be same only here now. So according to this it is over here now because of collector, the collector should be negative reverse bias we have connected here now. But considering this here now, base and emitter, base should be forward bias. So base should be connected to the positive supply and emitter is connected to the negative supply here. No, both are negative supply here. Both are negative supply we have connected. This current will come towards the negative here. So the current direction will be this one, IB plus IC. It will come back to the neutral here. No, common point. It will come all the current, total current IE equal to IB plus IC,
IC.
we can call that one. Here also some current amplification factor is there. That one we are going to consider as beta. The previous one alpha consider kiya tha na?
Yes, sir.
The previous
Yes,
we
sir.
have considered as alpha here, no? But here I will consider as beta here now. Beta is the change of this output current to the input current. Which is the output current here now? IC. Because output is at this point, we are taking the output and input is this side here now. See here, emitter is not a input here now. This is base is input here now. Remember that thing. Base current is the input current now. Collector current is the output current now. Because of this common point, it is reversed here now. So the amplification factor or current gain is the ratio of change of output current to the input current. The output current is IC divided by IB is the input current. We can say that one here. We can say that one here now. So the total output current IC equal to what we can write down here now. The first thing, total IC, total output current IC equal to, from this equation we can write beta IB from this one. IC equal to, when
Yes,
I will
sir.
send this to beta IB we can write. And another one is some loss, small leakage current is there across this emitter, and because of this supply some leakage current is there. So that current we are going to consider as ICO naught. So the total collector current in the circuit is IC equal to beta IB plus ICO naught here. ICO naught we are going to call that one. We are going to call that one. So next we'll go for the input characteristics. Which is the input current in the common emitter type? What is the input current?
Base.
Base is the input current. So IB is the input current. And which is the input voltage? The voltage applied across what? Base and?
Emitter.
Base
Emitter.
and emitter is the input voltage applied here now. So according to this one, we can check the old one, which one that is common base. Is there any difference here? Is there any difference? Can you tell me? कुछ difference है क्या करो में?
No, sir.
No difference at all. But small values they can change here now. Instead of in that one 0, 8 volts, 10 volts like that. Here it is reversed. We have not observed here. It is completely reversed, but we have not observed. Just observe that one. In the common base, this one you common emitter is there. I will show the common base also. Check it. Check it now. Tell me the difference. Is there any difference?
Voltage value reduced.
Voltage value is reduced. Which value? This value?
No, sir.
This constant
Voltage
values?
across.
Here in
Constant value you are telling. See here, if the value is 0 here now, at this point, this output is 0. We have not given any supply here. We have not given any supply here, but the base supply with respect to the emitter is given here. Base supply with respect to emitter is given. So emitter current is the output here now. We are considering only base only as the input. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So immediately for the small voltage only it will conduct here. Yes or no? Because it is a forward bias. It will conduct here now. If the voltage is increased here, then it will take time because here it is reversed biased. These two are the reversed bias. Yes or no? This is collector is reversed bias. So collector current also you should have to join with the emitter current here. Now only base current we are considering at the input. So once the collector current is also added, then it will take some delay. So again I have increased this one means again delay will occur. Again I have increased this one means more voltage is required. Delay is nothing but more voltage is required here. Now see here, the VC is 0, then small voltage only it is conducted here. They're conduct okay, na?
Yes, sir.
But in the common base it was different. It was different. The lastly it was joined VC, VBE was the 0 here, VBC. 0, 1, 2, 3 जैसा increase किया था ऐसा the input voltage reduce किया था, है ना?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
in this one it is a reverse here now. What? क्या बोल रहे?
इधर increase हो रहा है sir.
Either the fixed voltage is increasing here now, VC equal to 0, VC equal to 10, VC equal to 20. But in that situation, it was decreasing order, VC equal to 18, 10, 0. Yes?
Yes.
This is in the ascending order, that was in the descending order it was there. And based on this one, here also for the small change in the current, voltage, large current is increasing here now. So here also the input resistance is will be low or medium also we can call that. Low or medium we can call that one here now. So the common current amplification factor and all the things we have studied here now. 2, 4, 6 we have considered here for that one. Next we will go for the input resistance is the ratio of what is the how we can measure the input resistance, the ratio of change in base emitter voltage. This is the base emitter voltage, na? Change in this voltage to this base current here now. R equal to V by I, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I equal to V by I. So VBE divided by I is the resistance we are going to call that one. That is input resistance we are going to call. Just a minute. So next we will go for the output characteristics. See the output characteristics here now. Which is the output current? Output current is IC. IC is the output current. This one is the output current, which current is flowing in the load resistance. IC is flowing here. Yes?
Yes.
IC
Yes,
is the flowing current here now. So it is positive to negative only it is flowing. Current is, yes? Positive
Yes,
to
sir.
negative only flowing here now. So this is, it will not go for the negative here now. All currents will come in the positive region only almost. But which is the output voltage here now? What is the output voltage? We can observe here now. Base to emitter here now. Emitter base voltage is the output voltage. So VCE liye kya? Actually VCE only. VCE versus IC is nothing but collector current versus collector emitter voltage. We have drawn the output characteristics here now. Output characteristics we have drawn here. So according to these output characteristics, just a minute. Wait 1 minute. According to these output characteristics, here it will go for the breakdown voltage also. After breakdown, only the current will be suddenly increases here now. But see here, for the constant, which current we have kept here constant? Base current is constant here now. Which is the input current here now in this diagram?
Collector current.
Input current is collector current.
Output.
I am asking input current.
Base
Base current. So input should be, we have to keep constant. For different input currents, we can observe the output currents we have to observe voltage and current characteristics. Here at IB equal to 0, input current is kept 0 here now. This condition here now, input current is 0. There is no current flow here now. Only small leakage current is there. So the output current will be almost 0. We can call that one. IC will become 0 only. Na? It will not move over here because it is the reversal bias. Yes? It is reversal bias or not? Collector is reversal
Yes,
bias. So current will not move over here. No, only small current, almost 0 is there. That is called cutoff region. We are going to call that cutoff region. But once the input current is given, small value of input current is given, then 10 microampere we have given. You consider that one. Suddenly, by applying the output voltage, the old current will be increases here now. Suddenly 0 say it will also 10 milliampere ko 1 milliampere, it is increasing here now. 10 microampere base current we have kept, it is increasing here now. Next again input voltage, input current increase किए, then 0 से ये voltage increase कर रहे हैं, 0 इधर increase किए. So only you consider here now, just अभी इधर voltage जैसा increase हो रहा है, अगर lightly the current is increasing, upper side जा रहा है ना current,
Yes,
lightly the upper
Yes,
current
sir.
is going. It is not a straight line. Remember that one. It is not like this. It is not like a straight line like this. Straight nahi hai ye. It is slightly it is increasing here. Yes, slightly it is increasing. So output resistance is the ratio of change of this VCE to the IC here. Now change of VCE to the IC here. Now VC is jaisa VC is increasing like that, lightly IC is increasing here now. Lightly IC is increasing. If suddenly IC is increased, means what we can tell that one? The current resistance will be
low.
Low resistance है तो उसके लिए suddenly current increase हो रहा है. If current is no change, we can tell that one the resistance is very high. For that reason, no change in the current. But it is not, little bit change is there. It is not high, not low here. So what we can tell that one? The resistance is, output resistance is
Medium.
Medium.
medium. We can call that one. The output resistance is medium in nature. Medium we can call that one. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
like this only the common collector diagrams will come here. No, same like this one only. Same like this one only. Only the base will become same only here. Input is base, but collector, emitter and collector terminals are reversed here. No, इधर पहला क्या था? Collector था, इधर emitter था. दोनों terminals reverse हो गए. दोनों terminal reverse हो गए ना?
Yes, sir.
So only change is that, so base input is same, only output is, the terminals are changed here now. Terminals are, the output current is IC and the output voltage is same only, VCE only the voltage we are going to call that one. There is no change at all here now. Almost we are going to get the same voltage. We can tell that one same waveform, but according to this diagram, the input resistance is very low. We can call that one. The input resistance is very low because the current is like this. It is increasing here now. Without any change in the output or input voltage, suddenly the current is increasing. Suddenly the current will be increases here now. So only the terminals are reversed here, but the input current is very high by small increase in the voltage. input voltage, suddenly the current will be increases. So what we can say that one, the input resistances are
Low.
low, very low, we can call that one here now. So this is the current amplification factor. Alpha हो गया, beta हो गया, अभी gamma लिख सकते हैं हम.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Alpha, beta, gamma. So output current is ammeter here now. So input current is base,
Base.
IB. So IE by IB here now. So compare with beta. Beta से compare किया तो this one IC divided by IB था, अभी IE divided by IC हो गए. These two terminals only कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, only पहले का इधर C था, इधर E था. That's it. Only these two are changed here now. According to these two, the current direction is changed here now. Current direction is changed here now. So the ammeter current is flowing like this. Ammeter current is flowing from the this positive terminal to the negative terminal at all here now. So IE equal to IB plus
IC.
IC only. Here also we are going to get the same thing only. I will show just the just a minute. I will show the, actually it is not available in the textbook, but when I was doing my project on that time, I have drawn this one actually. See here, this is the input characteristics here now. VBC is there, only little change here. Suddenly एक बार conduction हो गया ना, it is a straight line, it is increasing here now. Without changing the output voltage, the current is suddenly increases to the higher current here. Higher value को जा रहे हैं input current. So in that condition, the resistance will be zero only, we have to consider. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Resistance
Yes,
was zero, then only it is doing like this, we can call that one. Now, just a minute, I will check that notebook also. And for the output characteristic, it is same like a common collector here now. Common collector जैसा ये, only slightly it is increasing here now. Slightly it is increasing here, it is increasing here, it is increasing here, it is increasing here. So the output resistance will be medium, we can call that one. Output resistance will be medium here. So these are the configuration of the common emitter, common base, common collector, we can call that. So a transistor can be operated in 4 regions, we can operate here now. What is that? FR means forward, FF means forward, 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 reverse, forward, forward, reverse, 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 forward here now. So emitter junction कभी भी forward रहने का है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So emitter junction will be forward. Oh, collector junction should be reverse
Reverse.
here now. So the region will be get active here now. Remember that one. This is active region, saturated and cut off they have considered here now. This one actually it is not there. Emitter reverse करने का collector forward किया वाला देखा है क्या तुम लोग? In all three circuits. No, this is inverted. This one don't consider that one. But here emitter forward किए और collector junction reverse किए. ये all condition में we have applied this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes,
So we'll get the active region we are going to get here now. The operation will be active here now. In the next one, forward. The emitter junction is forward, but collector junction is also forward bias. Where it is offered here now, forward bias. When it was there, forward bias. Can you check the circuit diagram anywhere we have done the forward bias? Emitter, here it was there. दोनों पॉजिटिव सप्लाई दिए ना NP N को, but it is not forward bias. But if it is zero, then some voltage of because of this base supply, it will become act as a forward bias. It can operate under that, and that condition only some operating range here now. It will not operate at saturation region. Saturation region में कुछ output है क्या तुमको? No output. So it is also not operating, we are going to call that one. But reverse here now. Emitter also reverse bias, collector also reverse bias. And that situation, emitter also reverse bias is nothing but we have given zero input. Input is zero. And that's a condition. Input zero diya to it will act as a reverse only, na, because collector is reverse bias. So So on that situation, we are not going to get the output, but so only small leakage is there. That area we are going to consider region, cutoff region, saturated region, active region. When the emitter is forward biased or collector is reverse biased, on that situation only it will conduct. So that time, that region or area we are going to call as the active region, we are going to call that one. If emitter is forward biased but the collector is also forward biased, then that is called saturated region we are going to call. It will saturate that one. And both are reversal condition. On that situation, cutoff regions will come for them. So it completes all the configuration of the common base, common emitter, common collector systems. It is going to act here. It is going to act here. Okay. Any doubts? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will stop here only and take 2 minutes break, and I will continue next. I will only continue. Okay. Once again, you join after 2:36 or 7 to 2:37 को join हो जाओ वापस. Okay. I'll stop here.